In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm able to use ViewCreator.ai to create AI videos and then publish them to my social media channels. And AI videos are getting better and better, and in the future, a ton of content that you see on social media is actually going to be created by AI. And ViewCreator is on the cutting edge of this revolution. And what we're doing is we're creating the ability for users to create AI content and then connecting it so that they can actually post it directly on their social media channels. So, for example, we're going to go over to the create page where I'm going to be posting some videos on ViewCreator. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to select short video, and I'm going to select these three channels where I want to create an AI video. I'm then going to click generate with AI and click image to video, because today we're going to create a video of Mickey Mouse rapping. So here is the initial photo that I have. You guys can see Mickey Mouse here, and we're going to turn this photo to life. So I'm going to give it a prompt here. Create a video of Mickey Mouse rapping about ViewCreator and how users are able to create AI content and grow on social media. So 8 seconds, generate audio. And this, it depends on, how fast, but usually about 30 to 60 seconds, these video generations are able to be done. But something that's really, really cool is that these AI video generation models are continuing to get better and better. And every few months, a new frontier model is released. And if you look back to 2024, these videos, AI videos didn't even have audio in them yet. Like, for example, the Google models and Sora, they didn't even have a way to integrate audio. And what we saw in 24 to 25 was that they integrated the ability so that you can generate audio. You can see this is now an option. And this technology is going to get exceedingly better over the years. And right now there's limitations, like, just as an example, the duration, the fact that you can only create videos that are up to 8 seconds. I mean, that is an incredible limitation right now, which will go away. And ViewCreator.ai is on the cutting edge of this because we're integrating with these frontier models as they come out, and we're building an all-in-one platform so that users are actually able to integrate with the frontier models as soon as they come out. And look at that. So it looks like we do have our video here. Let's check it out.
Welcome to ViewCreator. We'll show you how to use AI to create content and watch your social media presence grow and grow.
Wow. I mean, that's pretty good, right? So, now all I have to do is just click create with AI, and ViewCreator, its system, is able to actually process this video, and then it's going to be able to create the captions from the transcript. So this is a very short video, but it is able to understand what Mickey Mouse is saying, and it's going to be able to create a caption and a title so that we don't even have to bother with it, okay? So let's see this video here. Sometimes it takes a second. Aperium said this is epic. All right, so here are our captions. So welcome to ViewCreator. Learn exactly how to use AI to create content that helps your social media presence grow. We are here to show you the power of artificial intelligence in your creative process. So, this caption has the hashtags that are needed and the titles and the tags for YouTube. It even selected the category. So pretty cool stuff. And all I have to do to post this is click publish now, and it's going to be able to publish this to the ViewCreator platform channel. So you can see it's publishing to our YouTube channel, our Facebook, and our Instagram. So this is just one way that ViewCreator is on the cutting edge of the AI revolution. We're creating the ability where users can have an all-in-one platform where they are able to create content and post it all in the same place using some of the best frontier AI models so that you get the quality that you deserve. So with that being said, that's a short demo of how to use ViewCreator and what we're doing to be able to lead the AI revolution in the social media marketing space. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the future.